To check your Domino's gift card balance, start by visiting the Domino's website or by calling their customer service number. On the website, click on the gift card option at the top of the page and select Check Balance. You will be prompted to enter your gift card number and the PIN, which can be found on the back of the card. Enter the gift card number and PIN in the required fields and click Submit. The available balance on your gift card will be displayed on the screen. You can also check the balance by calling the customer service number and following the prompts to enter your gift card number and PIN. Alternatively, you can also check the balance at any Domino's store by providing the gift card to the staff. They will be able to check the balance for you. It is essential to keep your gift card safe and do not share the PIN with anyone to avoid any unauthorized transactions. When checking the balance, ensure you have the gift card number and PIN readily available. If you have any issues or concerns, you can contact Domino's customer service for assistance. They will be able to help you with any queries or problems you may have with your gift card. It is also a good idea to check the balance regularly to keep track of your spending and to ensure you do not overspend. By following these steps, you can easily check your Domino's gift card balance and make the most of your gift card.